Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Microsoft Teams for beginners. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to start, you can go to your browser and search for Microsoft Teams. And here, you can click on the first link, Microsoft Teams. And Microsoft Teams is a proprietary business communication platform developed by Microsoft as a part of the Microsoft 365 family of products. Microsoft Teams, ready to give it a whirl. Microsoft Teams is a hub for teamwork in Microsoft 365 for education. Keep all your content, apps, and conversations together in one place. To get it started, you can enter your school email address. But in case you don't have this, you can sign in or sign up with Microsoft Teams. You can go to teams.microsoft.com and sign in with your email address, phone number, or Skype. Or you can also create a new Microsoft Teams account. And here you can create an account using your email address or your phone number. And here, download the Teams desktop app and stay better connected. You can get the Windows app or you can use the web app instead. For now, we will use the web app. Click on that. Welcome to Teams. You can invite people you know. It's easy to bring everyone together on Teams. You can also start chatting, send instant messages, share files, and more over chat. You can also see this Meet Now, skip the calendar, and create an instant meeting with just a click. You can also see some of the options here, the activity, chat, and calendar. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can get the Teams mobile app. Let's go and try to click Find and Invite People. Find and invite people you know. You can share an invite link, you can copy that, or you can sync mobile device contacts. And here you can try on New Chat. Click on that. So what you can do here is to click on New Chat. You're starting a new conversation. You can type your first message below. And you can also enter the name, email, or phone number of the person you want to send a message. Let's try this email. Click on that. We can now start to compose a message. You can click on type a message below. And let's try typing hi. How are you? Then you can click send. You will see your message up here. Hi, how are you? And the receiver will notify, and it will also show here that you just joined the conversation and you changed the group name to her email address and you invited one person to the group. You can click here to invite more people on your team. And if you want to start a new message, you can click here. And the other thing you can do is you can change your group name. You just have to click here. Click on that pen button, clear the previous group name, and you can change it into Team 1, and then click Save. And there you have successfully changed your group name. It will also show here that you have changed your group name. And if you click here on the bell, you will see your activity and your feed. You will see mentions, replies, and other notifications here. And as of now, as our account is just new, there are no notifications to be displayed here. And if you click again on your chats, you will see your chats here. You can see here theme 1, and you can click on new chat. Or you can search a message right here. If you click on new chat, you will start a new conversation again. You can type your first message below or enter first the name, email, or phone number of your receiver. And if you click on this video icon here, you're gonna start a new meeting. Click on that. You can change the meeting topic, and you can also get a link to share with your friends, and then you can click on start meeting. And here it will ask to use your camera and use your microphone. You have to select allow to let Microsoft Teams use your mic and camera for calls and meetings on this browser. When you do, we'll turn your devices on for a moment to set them up. And in case you don't want to use your audio or video, you can continue without audio or video. You can click here. And if you go back, you will see your meeting here. And if you click on that, you will see that this meeting chat is muted. You can join, share the link, or invite to your teams. You can also insert files and photos. And if you click on three dots here, you will see the settings like keyboard shortcuts, download the desktop app, or download the mobile app. And if you click on your calendar right here, you can see the date on your calendar, and you can click on the cell to add a note. Now let's go back and click on the chat, and right below you can see this button here. You can attach cloud files or upload from the device. Then you can send it to your teams. And if you click on files above, you will see your shared files in this chat. When you upload files to this files tab, they will show up in chat. It will automatically save your files. If you click on this plus sign here, you can add a tab. Turn your favorite apps and files into tabs at the top of the chat. You can add a task here. You can add a tab name and then click Save. And there you can now successfully use Microsoft Teams in your browser or in downloaded app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.